Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can add your work schedule to your profile on Indeed.com, for example, as a job seeker. So let us guide you through it and show you how it works in 2026. So log into your account on Indeed and click into your profile icon in the top right and navigate to profile. In the next step, guys, scroll down and here click into job preferences or into that arrow to the right icon. And after that, guys, click into add a work schedule here to that plus button and adjust your work schedule. For example, weekends as needed, or even holidays, or Monday to Friday, and your shifts like a 4-hour, 8-hour, 10-hour, 12-hour, day, night, evening. And there you go, guys. And you can also select, for example, overtime or choose your own hours. And don't forget to click into save. And that should do it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.